lovelies. I thought I'd just pop on here and say hello to you all and wish you all the best in your quarantine situation, whatever's happening in your life right now, wherever you are. We are all in crazy times that we don't know what to do with, really. But the one thing that stays constant is the need to eat and the need to feed those you love. So that's where I come in. I'm hoping that you'll come and join me more often online, more often on the website, more often through my books and videos and so on, and Insider Club potentially, because we're going to keep cooking. No matter what, we're going to keep cooking. We're going to stay calm and keep cooking, and we want you to do the same thing. It's time to nurture your family. It's time to spend time with your family, maybe even teaching them how to cook, maybe even learning a new skill. We're going to be producing some new videos to use all that baker's flour we know you've got in your cupboard, because we can't buy it on the shelf at our local store. So whatever's happening in your life, come and join me anyway. We really want you to feel part of the community. Even though you might be isolated from people physically, we can still stay connected through social media, and isn't that great? So stay well mentally, physically, and boost your immunity, and come and do some cooking with me, because we really want to have you join us. See you soon. Bye.